Hello students, today we start the new question of chapter 1 units and dimension. Units and dimensions, physics. It is lecture number 18. Okay, our question is from example number 6. Test dimensionally. Page number 8. Test dimensionally if the equation v square, small v square, u square plus 2ax, x is the position, your final velocity, v square is the final velocity and u square initial velocity. Okay, next may be correct, next statement may be correct. Solution. The question is, first we understand that ki v square is equal to u square plus 2ax. This is correct or incorrect? You have to equate or test by dimensionally. So how to test by dimension? So we find this by finding these three equations. That is, there are three equations. Three equations in this question. Three terms, sorry. There are three terms in this equation, which is v square, u square and 2x. So if v square and u square and also 2ax dimensions will be same, then it will be correct, may be correct. So find this. Okay, understand v square, u square, and first term is v square, that is final velocity whole square. It is the whole square of final velocity. V square is equal to, its dimension is, so LT minus 1, and we put a square bracket on both sides, power 2. And then finally L2T minus 2. It is correct. V square, LT minus 1 the velocity, dimension, and whole power 2. Equation number 1. Second, u square, LT minus 1 whole square, L2T minus 2. Second, this will be same. And it is proved that 2ax. Now finally we find the dimension of 2ax. So what is a in this equation? In this term, a is an, if you know, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. That is as not x in this equation. So a is acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Okay, 2ax, and x is the position, and which dimension it has? A is the acceleration, so dimension is LT minus 2, no power is 1. X is dimension L, and total is L2 t minus 2. equation number 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we get finally that equation of means dimensionally these terms are equal. These terms are dimensionally equal. 2 is dimensionless, 2 is a constant in this term, and it has a L to T minus 2 dimension. So dimensionally it will be correct. Note it.